In this video tutorial, we are going to show you how to play a video inside a photo in Microsoft PowerPoint. So if you want to be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's begin the topic. This is a new Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Let me go to new slide, insert a blank slide. Now I have to add a photo with sunglasses. Let me go to insert, go to picture, click on one line picture. Let me write man with sunglasses. Search here. I can easily select any of this photo. Let me select this one, click on insert. Now I have to adjust it with the slide. If I increase the size, it will not look better. So what I have to do, let me select this image, go to crop, go to aspect ratio, select 16:9. Now adjust it and click on crop. Adjust it like this. Now I have to go to insert, go to shapes, pick the curve shape, and let me zoom in the slide, and I have to draw the shape like this. I have to cover all the glasses like this way. Now go to shape outline, make it no outline. If I want to adjust the point, let me click on right button, click on edit points, and I can easily adjust the shape from here. Now this is perfect. Again go to insert, go to shapes, pick a curve shape and draw it like this. Now again go to shape outline, make it no outline, go to edit shape, edit point, change the point from here. Now let me zoom out by holding the control key and the scroll key. Let me select the image, and by holding the control key, let me select this shape and this shape. Go to shape format, go to merge shape, click on subtract. Now I have to add a video. I have to go to pixabay.com. Here let me go to Pixabay and let me select here from video. Here let me search ACERT hard, and I can easily select any video from here. If I click on this one, let me click free download. Let me select this size, click on download. Let me download it, open folder. Let me press Ctrl C to copy and let me paste here and place it like this. Now go to playback, select automatically and loop until stop. Now click on right button, click on send to back. Now if I want to watch the slideshow, here you will see my video is playing inside the text. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.